Stay back, Miss. Alex and Eric's feeding the birds. They're on his arm there.
You want to try, Miss? Alright, here we go. He's going to come fly down onto Alex. Don't touch him, Miss. Just hold still. There he goes. Stay back so they don't scare him. Here he comes, Miss. Move your hand. Good job, Miss. Here comes another. Now you have two. Here, come a little closer.
Miss, stay back. Alex, stay back.
There it comes. Okay. My arm's going away. Hold on to it tight, Lucas. And then he's going to fly away. I'm not going to buy another one. Here, hold out your arm. If you don't like him, I'll put my hand close by and we'll get him back on my arm, okay? Okay, Lucas?
I want to.
You want to hold him again, Miss?